Guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Hotels.com app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on account down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on security in settings, you just click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just go down, you keep going down here, come here to copy unique device ID, you just click on it here, then automatically it's going to copy it with you on your Hotels.com app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.